Good morning, y'all. Diamond, don't try to come over here. Here she come over here trying to be all in my face. Tell her don't do it. Good morning, guys. So, drinking our TEAMI blends detox tea this morning. This morning, I actually don't have I know it's a little different, like I'm all dolled up. I'm not in my robe first thing in the morning. It is like 9 something in the morning because I gotta get up and get ready because I'm doing a lot of filming today. So you guys are getting me after. But, so today is a little bit different. I'm all dolled up and it's not about to be our typical affirmations, morning affirmations, right? But I do want to talk about something with you guys that I think a lot of people just got the game messed up, right? And it's about expectations. You cannot put your expectations on what you think someone is or how they should be or whatever, like on someone else, and then hold them accountable to that, and then like truly feel some type of way when they don't hold up to it, right? What's making me say this, as you know, say good morning, Diamond. Right? You good? Okay, get out my face. What's making me say this is all in the news. I don't know if you've been keeping up with it, like all in social media, is this fiasco around Derrick Jaxn and his cheating scandal, if you want to call it a cheating scandal. Like, and I've just noticed like a lot of people like truly feel some type of way, women in particular, about what happened. And even me, I am a big Derrick Jaxn fan. Like, and that's why like all my friends are getting on me lately because they're like, oh, and it's just like, this is the thing. I am not shocked by him being a cheater. Like, and I don't understand why other people are shocked, right? I don't understand where the shockness is coming from. At no point should I have ever held this man to be accountable to a certain standard or expectation that I have of him. Like I've said in this whole thing like the past 2 days, because if you've been on any kind of social media, I mean, any kind of post you could think of, it's all over social media, like him with his wife, and just, it's just everywhere, right? And so, my thing is this. What did our parents always do, right? Do as I say, not as I do. We're gonna sip some tea on that. Okay? We all grew up with the parents, do as I say, not as I do. Just because I did it. We've all grown up with that. So why is anyone shocked that this man was cheating on his wife? Yes, he can say the messages that he was saying. That doesn't change the message. It just changes the messenger. And the thing is, the reason why people are so upset about the messenger is because they were, I'm not even gonna say we, I can say we because I do like follow him and I've seen his videos, but they, because I don't hold him to that standard, they were holding him to this expectation of, oh, you've been saying all this, but you were doing something else. Isn't that like what a whole bunch of people do? Like a whole bunch of people. Like, yes, he has made his career off of inspirational videos and advice videos to women and some of his towards men, right? So why would we expect him to just be this God, to be this savior? Like, nobody's perfect. Like, he didn't hold himself to that expectation. We did. So for the people who were holding him to that expectation, why? Like, why? Like, I've been so confused lately why people are so, oh my God. When this came out, I was not shocked at all that this man was a cheater. Like, and I'm not saying that all men cheat. What I'm saying is, I'm not shocked. Like, I don't understand why people are shocked, right? It's no different than like if you have a dad, right, and a daughter, who you have this dad who, he's a great guy, but he's a dog to women. He's a great father, but he's a dog to women, right?
You dudes, stop talking about me, cause y'all fathers be in my DMs. Do you want me to be your stepmother? Do you want me to poison your food?
He can teach his daughter and tell his daughter all the things of how a man is supposed to be, but still be out here and be a dog in these streets. Do as I say, not as I do. It's the same way with like when you have a big brother and a little sister, right? You got a big brother who, of course, he's gonna tell his little sister, oh yeah, a man needs to be doing this, this, this. He needs to treat you this, this, this. You know what I'm saying? If he's not doing it, you come get me because I'm your big brother. But yet he's out here doing other chicks the same way that he's telling the things that he should not accept, that his little sister should not accept.
Yeah, let's go. Hey, man. My little sister tell me you can't keep your motherfucking hands to yourself.
No, man, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it.
Nigga, you think my sister a hoe or something?
No,
Think she a fucking toy?
No, I think she purty.
I truly do not understand why anybody is shocked. And again, for me, this is just my personal opinion. And again, I am a fan of Derrick Jaxn, so I don't want you guys to think that I'm a fan of this man. I watch his videos, I've listened to his content. Like, again, his message hasn't changed. The messages still hold truth. It's just now we know that the messenger was on some do as I say, not as I do. You can't hold people to an expectation that you have. We're all human. The only thing you can do is if you were holding someone to this expectation and they don't meet that expectation, then you just remove yourself from it. You're like, you know what? I see you for who and what you are, and I'm choosing to remove myself. But don't be shocked because you held them to that expectation. They didn't hold themselves to that. So, yeah, your expectations are yours. Their expectations are theirs. Like, I feel like if a lot of people learn that lesson a whole lot quicker, because I had to learn this lesson in the past 2 years. That lesson specifically with really close friends and family hit me like a ton of bricks. You cannot hold your expectations to other people because when they don't meet them, you're gonna be disappointed. All you can do is just remove yourself. So like me, I am a person who I am not about to stop following Derrick Jaxn. I didn't unsubscribe to him. I didn't unfollow him. I'm never finna, I'll never watch another Derrick Jaxn video in my life. No, because his message still holds truth. It's just now we know that the messenger ain't shit. People aren't mad about the message, except for guys. Guys are mad about the message. People aren't mad about the message. They're just not mad at the messenger. It's no different from your boy Kevin Samuels. What he says is not 100% true. It's not 100% false. There's a lot of truth to what he says, but it's the messenger and the delivery is why he gets the flack that he does. The same way with all of these like alpha male strategy type, this red pill content. It's not the message all the time. A lot of times it's the messenger. And with Derrick Jaxn, his followers were holding him to a certain expectation, and then they realized that the messenger isn't who they thought they were. Doesn't change his content though. Little food for thought this morning. But you know, I'm out.